All right, so many of you have been asking what is the cranial prosthetic development prep course is all about. So first, let me backtrack just a little bit to give you guys I just kind of give you guys a timeline. So sometime in February, we started the cranial prosthetic development course, and there were 3 instructors. Actually, there were really just 2 instructors within this course, and we had our first 25 that registered for the class. We didn't want to have it as a large class because honestly, we were trying to make sure that a technique that you guys seriously want to learn how to do is taught effectively, efficiently, and you guys can grasp it. So just to be transparent, this first group was considered to be our beta testing to see how this course is going to run. It's been successful thus far. With that being said, there were some things as instructors that we noticed needed to be taken care of or needed to be revisited as far as how we are educating you guys on, just the basics of ventilating and making cranial prosthetics, in other words, medical wigs or hair replacement systems. So we decided that a prep course would be to your guys' advantage, especially for those of you who are extremely new to the whole hair loss sector and actually making units to help those that are dealing with hair loss as well as thinning hair. But yeah, so within this course, this is what we're going to be prepping you for the cranial prosthetic development course, because in that course, those group of students not only learned how to ventilate, they learned the different types of ventilating techniques, different types of hand tying techniques for different types of units. And we went over whipping, which you may not know what that is, but whipping is where we put our we put lace together. Whipping, putting lace and things together. But if you don't know, it's good that you take the course because we're prepping you for those things. You have to know how to ventilate in order to even know how to make a cranial prosthetic base or foundation. So this prep course is to prep you specifically for that course, to take you to the next level. And we have learned as educators and dealing with this first group that it is best that we prepare you for that straight off the back. So when you get into those courses, you're prepared and you will be successful. So not saying that the group that we've already started with is not successful. They are successful at what they do. Some of them have been doing this for a while, and some of them are extremely new and they're successful at it. But we think this would be a good idea, is to give you guys a prep course to prepare you for that, because our instructor is very serious. Our instructors are very serious about this industry and about making these particular types of units. So I wanted to give you guys kind of a quick understanding of why we are now doing a prep course as well as the cranial prosthetic development course. It is going to be to your advantage to take the prep course first before going into the actual development of these units, because this prepares you for it. It does not matter if you have been doing this before or for a while. There are strategies and techniques and things that you need to know that you may have missed if you've been educated by somebody else. And that's not saying that you don't know what you're doing. It's just learning the process of a different instructor or a different group of people who are educating you. So yes, check it out. Down below, there is a link for you to join in for the course. It's limited spots. We don't want it to be too large where we can't really help you guys, because everything is live. We're doing it on Zoom, and so that allows you to see the instructor and learn all of the things at the same time. But we're doing it privacy of your own home, comfort of your own home, and you get the techniques. But yeah, so check down below. There's a link down below in the description box of this video where you can register for that course. The first set of courses starts on the 15th of April. That is this week. You are able to register up until then. After that, it's closed, and then the next couple of days, the next month, we will have the dates roll out for the following month. So just want to make sure you guys were aware of what's going on with the cranial prosthetic development course, because some of you have been waiting for this course to pop up. It is up. It is ready. If you are ready, come in and join us, get all of this education and all of this to help with your businesses and to be a part of this hair industry. And I will see you in that class, in the live class. Bye now.